Hi, welcome to week 4 of a behind the scenes look at what goes on here at Ebert's Greenhouse Village. My name is Jake and I am excited to show you what's going on. I missed week 3 because I was at a water park last week and I'm sorry about that. There's a lot that's been going on though, and I'm just going to give you a broad sweep of everything, the plants growing, product coming in. It's really, really neat. We opened for the season on April 15th and it's only couple of weeks away. It's just really exciting. So if you're ready, let me show you what's happening. Thank you so much for joining me these last few minutes. I hope that you are inspired. I hope that you're excited about the new growing season, and I hope that you have a fabulous rest of your day. I'll see you again next week.